What's up everybody, welcome back to another amazing episode. Welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be doing an overhaul. Overhaul simply means taking out the engine, examining where the problem is, kama kuna vitu zimechapa, then I'm going to assemble the engine parts back. So already tukishaanza kazi. No engine. The engine part only remaining together in the crankshaft and the block. As you can see there, we have the main bearings, the camshaft, the timing chain, and the valve caps. Kuna oil pump na cylinder. Where is the cylinder? Cylinder head ndio pale. So ndio the base of the block. What else? Manifold, the intake manifold, the alternator, the exhaust, the mounting. Mnazana ziko pale hivyo chini. What else? So as of the minutes we have deassembled the engine. So now we are going to examine the parts zile zinahitaji kuwa changed. We replace them, alafu we fix the engine, so stay tuned. After examining the crankshaft and the main bearings, we were returning the crankshaft back on the engine, and this is how we do it. After bolting the crankshaft on the cylinder head, we started fixing up the pistons on the block, and we normally use a ring squeezer. A ring squeezer is this blue gadget here. It is normally used to squeeze the oil rings and the compression rings so that pressure can be attained in the engine, and this is how we do it. Not we have the corn bearing, the corn bearing cup. Iko pale imefungwa. So inafaa kufungwa in the 4 pistons. So that's 1, 3 remaining. Alafu from there we shall continue with the video. After the pistons were all inserted on the block, we started assembling now the main bearings bolts. The main bearing bolts are these bolts which are being fitted on the block, and they are normally tightened in a systematical way in order for them to lie properly, or for them to hold the pistons properly. And this is how we normally do it, as you can see. Once we were done assembling the main bearing bolts, we started assembling now the base of the engine. This is the main bearing cover. From there we strained up the oil strainer. We also fitted the oil pump on the block, and this is how we do it. Afterwards, the cylinder head followed, and we were fitting the cylinder head bolts on the block, and this is how we normally do it, as you can see. And as we do that, please consider hitting the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Afterwards, we fitted the camshaft and the timing chain in order for us to do the timing. Once we had done fitting the camshaft,
now the day.
afterwards we started doing the timing, and we normally do timing according to the marks given on the block of the engine and on the camshaft on the engine and also on the pulley of the engine. We normally have also marks on the timing chain. These are the marks that normally guide people doing the timing in order for them to do the timing correctly. Now we were fitting back the oil pump because we had removed it in order for the timing to be conducted, and now we were fitting the oil pump back, and afterwards we fitted the top cover and we were done with the engine because we had an issue. Yeah, so guys, so the car was sitting here. Sorry, my vlog got interrupted, but I don't know if you can see it. Now this is the old block. Ndio ile engine yenye tulitoa. It happened that iko na shimo, iko na crack pale kwa block, so we had to replace the engine. So iliako engine mpya. Nilikuwa nimevlog lakini sijui video zilifanyika nini, but tulibadilisha the flywheel because the flywheel ilikuwa mbaya, alafu tukabadilisha what else, nothing else. And that's how we get to end the vlog for the day. So hit the like button, subscribe the channel, comment, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next episode. Peace out.